Never do this if you want clear skin, seriously. Most people think they're helping their acne, but they're actually making it worse. If you've been struggling with breakouts, stick around because I'm about to reveal 7 easy and proven ways to clear up your skin fast. Let's get right into it. Acne sucks. It's frustrating, unpredictable, and sometimes it feels like no matter what you do, it just won't go away. Maybe you've tried dozens of products, weird home remedies, or even spent a fortune on skincare that just didn't work. The good news? You don't need an expensive skincare routine to get rid of acne fast. You just need the right habits. Let's break it down. Stop overwashing your face. I know, it sounds weird, but washing your face too much can actually make acne worse. Here's why. When you strip away too much oil, your skin freaks out and produces more oil to compensate, which can clog your pores. Dermatologists recommend washing your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, with a gentle cleanser. If you're washing more than that, cut back and see the difference. Ditch the harsh scrubs. If your cleanser has big, rough exfoliating beads, toss it. Scrubbing your skin too hard can cause tiny tears, making inflammation worse and spreading bacteria. Instead, use a chemical exfoliant with salicylic acid or glycolic acid. These dissolve dead skin and unclog pores without irritating your face. Studies show that salicylic acid can significantly reduce acne in just a few weeks. Change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days. This is one of the easiest and most overlooked acne fixes. Your pillowcase collects dirt, oil, and bacteria while you sleep. If you're breaking out on one side of your face, your pillowcase might be the culprit. Switch to a clean one every couple of days, or use a silk pillowcase. It absorbs less oil and bacteria than cotton. Don't touch your face. Seriously, stop. You might not even realize how often you touch your face during the day. Every time you do, you transfer bacteria and oil from your hands to your skin. If you struggle with breakouts on your cheeks or jawline, this could be why. The fix? Be mindful of your hands and keep them away from your face. Use the right spot treatment. Not all acne treatments work the same way. If you have red inflamed pimples, go for a treatment with benzoyl peroxide. It kills acne-causing bacteria fast. If you have blackheads and whiteheads, salicylic acid is your best bet. And if you need a quick fix for a pimple overnight, try hydrocolloid patches. They literally suck the gunk out while you sleep. Cut back on dairy and sugar. You might not want to hear this, but your diet does affect your skin. Research from the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that people who consume high amounts of dairy, especially skim milk, are more likely to have acne. Why? Dairy contains hormones that can trigger breakouts. And sugar? It spikes insulin levels, which increases oil production. Try cutting back for a few weeks and see if your skin improves. Hydrate and moisturize even if you have oily skin. One of the biggest mistakes people with acne make is skipping moisturizer. When your skin is dry, it produces more oil to compensate, which can clog pores. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. Both help hydrate without making your skin greasy. Alright, let's quickly recap. 1. Wash your face only twice a day, no more. 2. Skip the harsh scrubs, use gentle chemical exfoliants instead. 3. Change your pillowcase regularly. 4. Keep your hands off your face. 5. Use the right spot treatments for your acne type. 6. Reduce dairy and sugar intake. 7. Moisturize, even if you have oily skin. Acne doesn't disappear overnight, but making these simple changes can clear up your skin fast and keep breakouts away for good. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more skin and health tips. And if you have any acne fighting tips that worked for you, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what helped you. See you in the next video.